Hi guys, welcome back to another mini haul. So lately I've been thinking of getting into journaling. I have started like a mini journal, but I was thinking of doing like a normal journal. So I wanted to get a few bits. So here I have some stickers, and then I have these super cute ones as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what I can create with these and the spreads that I can do. So keep an eye out guys for my journaling videos if that's what you're into. I also bought this really pretty frame. I absolutely love how it looks. It's so pretty. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for just yet, but I'm sure I'll come up with something. I also have this lantern die cut. Oops, I dropped it there. But yeah, so looking forward to using that and using it on future projects. This is some wax, which is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love that blue color. So obviously, of course, these are going to be for my wax seals. And then I have a pen knife here. So this is more of like a literal pen knife, like a mini one, but it is super cute and really helpful for small pieces. Then I have this die cut here, which will be perfect for frames, for journaling or cards or just any project really. And then I have this really cute birdhouse and tree die cut, which I have used on a project already, which I have uploaded. And then I have this gift bag here, which I don't even know what I'm going to use it for, but it was just so cute. And same with these buttons, I just thought they're cute, let's just buy them and see what I can use them for. That's literally 90% of my hauls anyways guys. And then we have this perfume stamp set. They were so cute. Again, who knows what I'm going to use it for. And then I have this wax seal stamp. So this was quite nice. It was, I think it was just leaves, but it might have a bit of flowers on there as well. And then these are all little journaling bits and bobs. So I bought this little pack. So yeah, I'm looking forward to journaling. Bye guys.